Now, fairly common breakage in hurleys is one like that, and it can be repaired quite simply, like this. There. We have our special glue, which is important, because I find that this glue is as strong as the timber itself. And when this is repaired, it's no more likely to break where it's been repaired than it is any place else. Now, just in case it might slip while being clamped up, I put a little brad in here. Now we get our special clamp, special G clamp as I call it. It has to be fairly big because the bottles nowadays are all quite big. Tighten that up. Tight enough, but not too tight. Take off the excess here. Make it handy afterwards, especially if you haven't got a sander. And then use an old bicycle tube as a second clamp. Tap it up like that. If it's a thing that has not best perfect there, you get a G clamp. A very simple G clamp, and that brings it into line. And that's the repair. Like that. Then leave that overnight to set. We come back tomorrow with the one that we did yesterday. Take off the clamp. Take off the tube. Take off the excess glue, and there we have it. That's as good now as the hurley was when it was new. Because the strength of the glue was so great.